Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to share WhatsApp link on iPhone. Please share this video with your friends, put your like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to WhatsApp. After that, you need to go to any group, click on name of our group, scroll down and click invite to group via link. Click here and click send link via WhatsApp. Here you can choose any person and click send, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.